What is happening, everybody? We are out here with Justin and Jason and the beautiful Diff out of the Volvo. Because today we're gonna get this thing on the table. We're all set up, and we're gonna clean up a little bit and see what we can do. But I couldn't really lift this on the table by myself because it's a beast. So we're gonna get it up there. Oh God, it's heavy. Oh God. It's like a tank, dude. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's on your sweatshirt?
It's good.
The table's tipping. Oh, what do you want to get the Diff in the center?
Yeah, slide power. There we go.
Break. I know,
the table's beat, dude.
Look at this table.
Look at the table, yo. Look right here.
Literally flexing.
Like the whole table. Oh yeah, look.
It's coming through it.
The control arm is just blowing a hole right in the table.
Maybe I'll put it like closer to the wheel.
Every time you put it in, it just caves the table.
Just like folds it.
Poor table.
It's brand new.
Dude, man, let me know.
It's like a picnic.
So now, I think all I gotta do is take this big ass nut off, and I can pull it, and this whole diff will just come off like wicked easy.
Oh, sounds like a plan, man.
We can't find a socket big enough for the freaking Volvo axle nut, and like we brought out like the ancient sockets here. Like we even tapped into every resource we have, but Cody's not answering the phone. He's Mr. Snap-on, so sucks. I'm gonna have to go like find a socket somehow. It's like the one thing that needs to be taken off to take the diff out of the cradle. The singular nut, like literally. It doesn't even have a bolt. It's just sandwiched in between the upper cradle. There's just bushings. There's no like bolts, so. Just the nut. And he didn't answer.
What a pickle snapper.
What a dick. No interest. You know you don't like cars when a Volvo wagon sounds like that. It's so sad.
We just broke the bank and got ourselves some rentals.
Oh yeah.
We didn't know what size it was.
So we got numerous.
We thought it was like an 1 7/16 or like a 30.
It's metric though.
Or like a 30. Yeah, it's obviously metric, but they didn't have a 37. So
It goes from 38 to 36.
nowhere in existence could we find the 37. So we have the 36 and the 38. We'll try that one on for size.
Let's see, dude.
Open up our work briefcase.
You wanna do
You can do the honors, dude. This is like group.
Alright, ready? 36. See, I don't think this one is gonna work.
Oh!
Let's get it.
It's butter, dude.
This fancy thing.
Yeah, this is the method right here. That's how you do it. Just give her the chowder. Give her the chowder.
The chowder. Clam chowder. In glass. Oh, not quite yet.
Yeah! Decent. Alright, so now the thought process is you just go like
That and it comes on out.
da da da. And that's that one. Now in theory, you know what? Think if I stay on this table, it'll snap. Should I try?
Maybe if you got in the middle part.
Well, we're gonna keep the camera rolling just in case.
Just in case, yeah. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is just grab this like a kid that's drowning. I'm saving you! Oh my god, this kid's a fucking hefty child. Ugh. Fat ass, move! Fat ass! And then he's safe. God, I think it's so heavy, dude. Holy crap, it's literally like a drowning kid. It's like a big baby. It's like... Oh, good shit. That's funny.
Word.
It's like a fucking turkey hanging by his legs.
Like
a frozen
big
turkey.
fat bird, dude.
It's like he's drowning.
Now we're just gonna give it the yield.
The yield. The hands are greasy. I don't know how we're gonna attack Big Hefty here. the cleaning process in this beef, dude. Yeah. Like, I don't know. I wanted to like paint this, but like, because it's aluminum. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, aluminum's not gonna rust.
Try not to get like, if you're spraying, a flow in that seal. That'd be.
Yeah. I'm gonna stand backwards doing all this spraying. So I don't get.
Probably should fire the compressor to blow this off, huh?
Let's get it all like loosely off.
She looks beautiful, huh? It came out actually really good. I think what I'm gonna do now is just take it off the table and degrease the table, and then we'll put it back up. We'll clean the face cover and maybe pop it open. The table has become a pond of just greasiness. I'm gonna try to like, oh yeah, that's the method.
Hang on, man. We can just tip it. Ready?
That's too easy.
It's too easy. They're gonna create like a downspout. Here, I'll assist.
Oh, be easy, Jesus. Yeah, we need to make more of a downspout. 1 minute.
That thing's heavy. We just don't give a shit anymore.
Well, this is how you do it, man.
Might as well just get a sawzall and friggin'.
We'll rebuild the table with the slime.
Patch and putty.
The cover came out really nice, and there's no debris now, so we open this thing up. But we're looking really good. The Diff, I can't believe actually it's still red. We'll get a nice coat on there, but yeah, we're gonna crack this thing in a second. We've called it quits on the cleaning. I mean, it looks pretty friggin' nice. And we have it set up on the edge, so it'll drain, and we're gonna pull this cover off.
Oh yeah. Where'd you say put them over here?
Yeah, just right there.
Nice.
about to come off.
Get ready with that bucket though. You
Might have to reposition.
Yeah.
Oh, first drip. Hopefully this bucket doesn't leak everywhere.
Don't quite make it to the bathroom on time. What's it on by? Gasket?
Is there one more?
There's one more. Silly me.
Oh yeah, there it is. There's the dump. The golden shower.
Looks pretty clean.
Decent, dude. Big old diff.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I sit there and gurgle. Nice. Let's check out the inside. Success.
Yeah.
The greasiness paid off. Because look at this, dudes. It's going to be the weldiest welded diff of all time. I thought it was going to be difficult with an LSD, but we're looking A-okay. So, I'm excited. We're going to let this thing gleek all this nasty gear oil out. She's just drooling.
Last change in probably 2000.
I mean, who knows? Honestly, it could be the OG gear oil.
Yeah, who knows? Probably.
It looks decent, though. I mean,
Yeah, it looks pretty cool.
It's not nasty colored. It's still somewhat honey looking.
but yeah, this is pretty cool. That's the tone ring there, because I'm pretty sure the speed sensor for the speedometer is right there. Hence why I have a speedometer that works in the LS Volvo, because it doesn't, I mean, it's an LS. You wouldn't think the speedometer would work, but she does. So I think that ring and that sensor is what gives you the speed. I'm happy. This is going to be awesome.
That's also the same for E36s. I'm not sure what else though.
Looking really good. The cradle will get some love really soon. Not really soon. I'm going to build the hydraulic e-brake brackets at some point. But for now, I guess it's just going to sit here. It looks good, though. It'll have to be cleaned up. And now we have this beast. And I'm just really excited to start to weld this thing. So make sure to stay tuned, everybody, because I'm literally going to weld this as soon as I can. I'm going to let this drain out overnight, get in there with some brake clean, just degrease the crap out of it, and we'll weld it up. And the freaking LS Volvo will be doing mean skids.
Yo, yeah.
So I hope you all enjoyed. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace!
Why self-life? We got London on the track.